If you've changed the theme on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G and you want to revert to the original theme or change it back to the original theme, simply unlock your phone, and then you can see, as you can see, the icons are also, the appearance has been changed. So simply select settings, and then under settings, you want to go to home screen, lock screen, and style. And then as you can see, this is the current theme that is in use. So the first thing you need to do is tap on it, and you can go especially to this section, it's the home screen, and here go into the icons and ensure first that you select the classic option or the classic icons, because if you revert to the original theme without doing this, it's going to still maintain the icons to the themed icons. So tap on apply once you do that. And then now here, if you know the default theme that you were using before, you can simply select it, or you can simply tap on all Flux themes, then scroll all the way down to more themes. And then here you should see the default option which you want to tap to apply. So simply tap on apply. And now if you go back to the home screen, that particular default theme is going to be applied across your system. That's basically how to revert or restore the default theme on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. If this video was useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Questions and comments down below. Take care and God bless.